Assalamu alaikum. Today I will talk about pollution, its causes, effects, and how we decrease the pollution. First of all, we can define the pollution. The introduction and the entrance of harmful substances that affect the living thing. Living things such as humans, animals, plants, and such other are little single cell. So in Pakistan, pollution has a very dangerous problem, and the urban cities such as Lahore and Karachi has been many faces challenges for recent years. So we can so we can talk about the types of pollution. There are five types of pollution. First of all, air pollution. The entrance of dangerous pollutants in the air is called air pollution. In air, many different toxic gases and other substances enter that pollute the air, and we breathe the air. It enter into our lungs and affect it. So, as the many industries cannot filter the smoke or break kills, leave its dangerous particle into air without any proper management, so it affects the air that is dangerous for us. The second type of pollution is soil pollution. As many polluted water or other mismanagement are and sewage system are sent to the soil, so it increases the pollution of soil and decrease the fertile of land. As the crops grow in that polluted soil, it contains dangerous and harmful product from that soil that affects our health. The third type of pollution is water pollution. As many mis as the industries sent their left material or dangerous material into water, or sewage system are sent into water, they become polluted water or contaminated water. The contaminated water is not drinkable and they sent to the soil. It also pollute the soil, which is also danger, and it affects the aquatic life of water, as the Indus River has become polluted and it is not useful for us or crops. And the fourth type of pollution is noise pollution. As the noise pollution has been increased recently in urban cities such as Lahore and Pakistan. Noise pollution affects our sleeping time and also decrease the ability of hearing and circadian cycle. And the fifth type of pollution is light pollution. In urban cities recently, the light is also increased, which affects the economic cycle and other, such as scientists who want to see other earth-like planets they cannot see because due to excessive light. It seems that in night we can see judge as day. So we can so now we can discuss the causes of pollution. The first cause of pollution is industrialization. So the world is progressing very fast. Industries are working and now new industries are made for its progress. So many industries cannot manage their waste and they left their toxic gases into air that affects the air, and their harmful substance into soil or water that affects the aquatic life or soil. And the second cause of pollution is urbanization. Recently many people wants to go in cities. They enjoy to a peaceful life. As the urbanization and cities has been increased, the poor urbanization and poor management has been increased in pollution. The third type of deforestation. As the cities has been increased, the people started to cut off the trees and finishing the finishing the forest. In Pakistan, there is 1.5% of forest that is very dangerous. So carbon dioxide ratio in air has been increased that polluted the air. And the fourth one is plastic management. In Pakistan, more than 1 ton plastic have made yearly. That is one sided, so we can use it once and then throw into the garbage. So it takes many years to decompose it. Then it decomposes, many gases are produced from it that affects the air. So now we discuss the effects of pollution. The first effect of pollution is health risk. As we breathe in polluted air, we contain dangerous particles that enter into lungs and disturb our respiratory system. Now the disease are increased. And second effect of economic cost, as the disease is increased, the government should be increase hospitals and its management. So its effects has very dangerous. And third is poor diet, as the soil produces poor food that we eat, we also feel sick. And the next effect of economic degradation, many cycles are disturbing due to pollution. Now we discuss the how to decrease the pollution. The first is recycling, as we such a system create that we use we avoid the one side plastic, and we can use the thing that can be reused. And green transport, we can prefer the public transport other than personal transport. It also decrease the pollution. And we use the cycling, that decrease the pollution, and we can avoid the burning of fossil fuels. And the second thing is reforestation. As the reforestation occurs, the plants grow and absorb the carbon dioxide from air. The air quality increases and the pollution can be decreased. And the next policy and management, we should create public awareness. They should apply and try to decrease the pollution, such as uh, we can give ad in TVs, dramas, or in newspapers and other things. So people get awareness and they try to decrease and get their get their behalf of best to decrease the pollution. And the management can be increased. So in clean Pakistan, in Pakistan pollution is a big problem, but it can be decreased with the help of peoples, as reforestations and public management, public awareness, and implement of law. As the laws become, the the public will also follow it, and the automatically the pollution will be decreased. Assalamu alaikum.